Let's get moving.
Yay, party time. Ouch. Wait a minute.
Hi guys, I'm Shock Trooper and this is Kylo.
No, I'm really Kyle.
Yeah, whatever. I'm Lucas. Anyway, in honor of May the 4th and the highly anticipated new movie Solo, A Star Wars Story, Hasbro sent us a surprise box from a galaxy far, far away. Inside the box, we found lots of cool Star Wars toys, so it's time to unbox them. Before we start, I say we transform Kylo Ren into something more girlish. Jyn Erso, that's more like it.
Wow.
Hey, we also got our 3 first surprises, and they're the Mighty Mugs. These figures have a push and turn mechanism that allows them to change between 3 different types of expressions.
You can do sad, mad, and happy.
Yeah, we also have Han Solo, QI'RA, and LANDO Calrissian.
You can change their head. It actually works your head.
And here's our second toy, and it's the Force Link 2.0 starter set, so let's check it out. I wonder what's inside the box. Well, it says on the front. But...
yeah, we can play.
Oh, here's our exclusive Han Solo figure.
No, that's mine.
And what else we got in there?
Wait.
Oh! And here is the Force Link, I guess. Now let's see how this Force Link works. So you bring the Force Link closer to the figure and it should make a sound.
They call me Han Solo.
It works.
Yep. And to change it, you press these 2 speakers.
I don't run from a fight. I've got a really good feeling about this.
And he can change it to different sounds. Now let's see what other figures we have and what sounds they have.
We'll have this one.
Okay, so we got the KESSEL and LANDO Calrissian, and also Chewbacca and QI'RA. These figures come with unique battle accessories, and these 2 come in a 2-pack along with the turret. And you also can get other packs in stores with different figures. These are also placebo figures because they can move their arms, twist their head all around, and move their legs. Now let's see what sounds they can make.
Firmware update required.
Oh, it looks like we have to do some sort of update. So these figures won't work. Only Han Solo does.
They call me Han Solo.
You see? To update this Force Link, we needed to sync the Force Link app with a smart device, but somehow it didn't work. So let's move on to the Force Master lightsaber.
Yeah, you can move like a sword.
This lightsaber can turn into 4 different blade colors, representing 4 different people. And that would be, for instance, Darth Vader or Yoda. And you can also get another lightsaber or Blade Builder's set and combine it with this lightsaber. Now let's demonstrate this cool lightsaber. To turn it on, all you have to do is press this big old red button. Okay, Mace Windu.
The Jedi Order is to survive.
And to change the character, we have to press this blue button. Obi-Wan Kenobi, Darth Vader, and Yoda. We also have a connector piece right here, so let's connect it with another lightsaber, like our Kylo Ren's lightsaber. So let's do it.
Well, here you go.
Whoa, that's a big one.
Yeah, you can put it together. That's like a big sword.
And here we go. Whoa. Look at this.
Whoa.
2 lightsabers in 1. We're becoming Darth Maul.
Wow.
it's Han Solo's LANDSPEEDER, which comes with the Han Solo figure again. So let's get it out. Whoa. So here's our figure, and here's the LANDSPEEDER. This time Han Solo comes with a white jacket and a different blaster. The LANDSPEEDER is pretty big, and it also has an ejecting seat. So I'll show you how it works. But first, we have to put Han Solo into the seat.
Yeah.
There he goes. To eject Han Solo, all you have to do is crash the speeder into Han Solo number 2. So let's do it. Oh, it didn't work! And his head fell off! Oh my god!
Yes, he was to break the head!
Well, it didn't work, so we have to do it with our finger. Hey! The ejecting worked!
Yeah, it done.
Oof.
Ouch. I'm okay. Can't hurt them.
This LANDSPEEDER is also a toy that can be used with the Force Link 2.0, but yet again, it still doesn't work because it hasn't updated yet. So let's move on to another toy, which will be these playing cards.
This like a cards with a playing cards. It's kind of fun.
And I got a bad feeling about this Star Wars card game. You have to outwit your rivals, and to stay in the game, you have to perform a comical consequence. You lost your right hand. Use only your left hand from now on. Oh, so you only get to use your left hand until the end of the game. So stuff like that. I love this picture right here.
Okay, let's play the cards.
Well, this is for older guys, but we can still check out the other card game. This Star Wars game, which I'm guessing is based on a new movie, which is called Han Solo Card Game, challenges Jedis to think strategically to outwit their opponents.
This is so cool cards. Whoops, a daisy.
Players collect bounty tokens, and whoever has the highest score at the end wins the game. And you can even win the Millennium Falcon. Well, we'll play this game another time, but right now we have our last toy, and it's the one and only Millennium Falcon. This set is also based on the new movie Solo and comes with an exclusive Han Solo figure. So let's get them out. So here's the Millennium Falcon.
Here's Han Solo.
Ah, there he is. And here we got some parts of the Millennium Falcon, so let's assemble it. Here we got some CALRISSIAN containers, which can be stored inside this compartment. And you can just lock it up. Here we got a satellite dish. And here's our third Han Solo. He has the same gun as one of them, but he has different jacket. This time it's black. Let's place him inside the cockpit and attach him to the Millennium Falcon. And also here is the cockpit for Chewbacca. Now let's demonstrate the Millennium Falcon. If you press this button, the cannon will shoot. Now we'll make sounds when we lift up the Millennium Falcon. It will make takeoff sounds. If we start shaking it in the air, it will make flying sounds. And we can also land it and still make sounds. Like that. Now we'll use this button for racing around Kessel Run. It has 3 positions. The first one is hyperdrive lights and sounds. The second one is for the accelerating, which makes the Falcon rumble. And the third one, you'll see what happens. So here we go. Here's first stage. Whoa, here's the rumbling. finish line. Safe and sound, just a little broken. This Millennium Falcon is also compatible with the Force Link 2.0, but still,
Firmware update required.
yeah, updates required. So here are the Solo brothers sitting in their new LANDSPEEDER and the damaged Millennium Falcon. We also got new characters from the new movie Solo: A Star Wars Story and some playing cards. Don't forget this cool lightsaber too. Well, we'll be off today, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
And may the Force be with you.
A sense of plot to destroy the Jedi.
Cool. So it's Star Wars.
We didn't give up, guys, and now our Force Link is working. It only took 1 hour for it to update, but now we can test it out on all of these figures. So Vivi, can you give me Chewbacca?
Okay.
Thank you. Most of the time he groans. Yep, there's his groan. Oh, he shot his blaster that time. He's really angry, I'm guessing?
Yes.
Is that it? Alright, let's go to somebody else. KE'RA, can you give me her?
Well, is a princess?
Well, come on then. We've got to get moving.
Okay.
Now we're
Or
going
is
to do
her
it my
name
way.
princess?
Ooh,
Please tell me
okay.
you have a plan.
No we don't. Alright, next figure, KESSEL guard. Okay, robotic sounds. More robotic sounds. So, no beeps and nothing from this guy? Okay, LANDO.
You have a yellow
I go
jacket.
by LANDO CALRISSIAN.
Yeah, I know that already.
I'm too young and too good to retire.
Okay.
Everything you heard about me is true. Cargo freighter. That's a Corellian YT-1300. Smoothest ship in the galaxy.
What smallest ship? Okay, I have no idea what he's talking about. But now let's test out the Solo brothers.
Yes.
Maybe you heard of me? Best pilot in the galaxy.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is under control.
Okay.
You ready with those coordinates?
What coordinates?
Hey, don't try my butt.
Oh,
You
okay.
ready with those coordinates?
Alright.
Let's try this one.
I'm done with taking orders.
Ooh, angry guy.
That wasn't the plan.
Shot his blaster and he's still angry.
How did I get into this mess? That wasn't the plan.
Well, this guy's definitely angry.
Well, guys, a mess.
And now, let's test out the ships.
Wow.
This LANDSPEEDER has 2 modes. Flying mode and battle mode. Here's flying,
Yes.
and here's battle. Ooh, lasers. Alright, so that was the LANDSPEEDER. Now let's check out our last toy, and that's the escape craft on the Millennium Falcon. So let's see its lights and sound. Oh, this is flying mode. And this is battle mode. Ooh, rapid fire. I like it. And back to the Millennium Falcon you go. Well, I'm so glad that these toys are finally working. They're so cool. Once again, thank you, Hasbro, for sending them. And did you realize I changed my shirt? It was so hot in that Stormtrooper costume. I'm like Finn now. I'm rebellion, always. And I can't wait to see the new movie Solo: A Star Wars Story on May 25th.
There's a Force BBQ.